This is question 4 in the WAEC objective of 2022. If root 24 plus root 96 minus root 600 equals y root 6, find the value of y. We've got 4 options here. The idea is going to be to simplify the left side and compare it with the right side. So we've got a square root of 24 plus root 96 minus root 600. This is the left side. These are surds, and to simplify surds, what we just have to do is to write each of the numbers under the square root as the product of two numbers. One of the numbers has to be a perfect square. Starting with 24, 24 can be written as 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6, and so on and so forth. We're going to see here that amongst all of these, this pair, 4 and 6, makes the cut because 4 is a perfect square. Also, for 96, we're going to write 96 as the product of two numbers. One of the numbers has to be a perfect square. If we start with 1 and 96, of course, this is not going to be useful. We can use 2, we can use 3, but the one that's going to be most useful is 6 and 16, because 16 right here is a square number, so we are going to go with this pair. And finally, 600. Of course, we can do 1 and 600, 2 and 300, and so on and so forth. But the most useful one would be 6 and 100, because 100 is a square number. By square number, I mean the number whose square root is whole. The square root of 4 is 2, the square root of 16 is 4, the square root of 100 is 10. Thus, this expression on the left of the question, root 24, can be written as root 4 times 6 plus, we found that root 96 is 6 times 16, so this is 16 times 6. I always prefer writing the square number first, doesn't matter though. Now the third one, 600 is 6 times 100, so I've got 100 times 6. So from one of the rules of surds that we considered, to see the video, just click on the link at the top right corner of your screen. We found that the square root of AB is the square root of A times the square root of B, so we can split the square root if it's a product. Thus, this is going to give root 4 times root 6 plus, this is root 16 times root 6 minus root 100 times root 6. And since we know that root 4 is 2, so this is just 2 times root 6, that's 2 root 6 plus root 16 is 4, 4 times root 6 is just 4 root 6 minus root 100 is 10, so this is 10 times root 6, that's 10 root 6. Now 2 root 6 plus 4 root 6 is 6 root 6 minus 10 root 6 is negative 4 root 6. And of course, this is the value of the left hand side. And we have that this is equal to y root 6. So we can see here that if we compare, we've got the same radical, root 6 and root 6. And the number outside, that's multiplying the radical on the left, is negative 4. And the one on the right is y. So we can see here by comparison that y is equal to negative 4. This is our answer. And looking across all 4 options, we would see that the correct option is option D. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, kindly like it by giving it a thumbs up. Share to your friends and colleagues on social media. Don't forget to drop a comment and click on the subscribed icon. To get notified when I upload new videos, kindly click on the all, that's the dark bell button on the subscribed icon. Thank you for seeing it once again. See you in the next video.